So guys, let me show you how to make this amazing Betula palms here. So I'll be showing you guys how to cut the pattern, how to assemble, how to sew, and how to mold, right, using our Betula sew, our Welt, our material, our shoe mold, and also the Catapila sew with our Marco. So I'll be dividing this video into 3 or 4 sections, which is the pattern creation, the sew creation, the sewing, and also the molding of the shoe. So first thing first, you get your paper and your shoe last, then you have your pattern draft out just the way I did it. Fold your paper into 2, then get the point or the measurement that you want to use, how wide you want it to be. Using your shoe mold, you'll be testing till you get the wideness or the pattern you want, how wide or how close you want it to be. Then you get the curve from the top to the down. You get the top, the curves. All right, so it's easy. Keep trying it until you get your desired shape and size. Okay, now this is what I want to use because this is size 45. So after that, just take your pattern to your main material, trace it, and fold. Now you're going to fold this top. I'll not be taping it, so I'll be folding. So that's why I have to rub the gum while I trace. Give some folding allowance. Rub your gum, then you fold. Watch, you fold the tip or the mouth. Fold carefully and smoothly. You fold it and apply force. All right. Now I want to add this buckle, so you just get the size or the pattern of the buckle, trace it, cut, then you add the material to the buckle. Right, it's easy. Watch, once you cut, give a perforation at the center of the material, then you now put your buckle. Right, watch what I'm doing. It's so easy. And this is a buckle that will be adding on top of the material, on top of our pattern, so you see it. Right, and if you want to add the buckle, fold the top into 2, get the middle or the center. That will aid you to place, and it will help your buckle to stay at the center of your pattern of your shoe. All right, so it's easy. Once you have this done, apply your buckle. All you have to do is you pad your material or your shoe pattern. I'm padding. I just pad. Then you cut out and give sewing allowance. Yes, now I'm going to use the sewing machine to sew the tip together now to the pad or your lining. You're sewing at the tip. Carefully you sew the tip. Once you're done sewing, then you cut out the sewing allowance you give. Now guys, please subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, like the video and share my video. Copy the link of my video and share. Now we are done with this. We are done with our top creation. We'll be going into sew creation. So using your Betula palm, just trace the palms, trace it on your paper, then you give 1 centimeter allowance. 1 centimeter allowance. That allowance will be where you'll be adding your welt. Add your welt. You have your sew pattern done, then trace around. You're tracing on your Catapila sew now. trace left and right. Trace. Once you trace using your scissors, you cut. Then you go for scraping using a filing machine. You scrape. Once you're done scraping, you add a layer to it. Now this adding of layer, it's by choice. If you want depending on what you want your sew to look like. So I want it to have some kind of height, so that's why I'm adding this layer. I just add my layer, then I cut. Once I cut, I'll go for blending. Now I'm going to blend the layer so that everything will look smooth. So I'll blend. You can see when I blend it, then I'll be adding gum for Welt. Now that's the gauge. That's the gauge. You add your gum to the outer sole and the gauge, which we call the Welt. Allow for drying. You come back, place your sole, stabilize it, then add your Welt or your gauge, round it carefully. You add, round it. And while adding this gauge, you have to press it very well. Once you're done, apply force, then you cut out the excesses. Go for filing, and you're done with your sew creation. Now this is molding. Using your last with your Betula palms, get the point you want to place, mark it out, add your gum, allow for drying, you place it. Watch what I'm doing. Please subscribe, ask your questions, like, share the video. So guys, please, how much is Betula palms in your side now? How much? Now you place. Now you're placing. Please start from the front. That's the mistake people do. You're placing. You start from the front. Add first. Scrape the under. Add your final gum. That's your placement gum. Allow for drying. Then you place. And you be sure that your shoe is ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please engage other of my videos. There are other videos. You can check my playlist for more videos on how to create palms and also how to create patterns for shoes, sandals, female footwears, and all of that. Thanks guys for watching. God bless you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, like and share. Drop a comment for me. Tell me yes if you enjoyed the video and learn something for yourself. God bless you. This is ABcshoes. Shout out to all of you. Happy October. Happy October. God bless you.